Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Camel Law Office Legal Podcast, the NJ Laws Tube. In this edition, we look at recent criminal cases, and we're looking at the case of State versus Melendez. In that case, the court held asking location of a handgun was permitted if exigent circumstances. The appellate division held, relying upon the public safety exception that was by the United States Supreme Court, New York versus Quarles, 104 Supreme Court 2626, and State versus O'Neill in New Jersey. The trial court admitted inculpatory statements the defendant gave in response to the officer's questions about the location of the handgun he used to kill his wife. The defendant was in custody and had invoked his right to counsel. However, the court held that assuming the claimed public safety meets the criteria, the court was persuaded by the reasoning in a case called United States versus DeSantis, 870 Federal 2nd, 536, 9th Circuit, 1989, and held that the same, quote, exigent circumstances, educode, that permit the pre-Miranda interrogation of a defendant permit the police to then question a defendant after he or she has invoked a right to counsel. Pursuant to State versus Stephenson, the court held that there was an insufficient basis here to apply a public safety exception. However, the court affirmed because the trial court correctly found the defendant had waived his right to counsel independently of the initially tainted interrogation. And that's State versus Melendez. Let's see, 423 NJ Super Number 1, Appellate Division, 2011. For other information on criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. For other information, call the Law Office of Kenneth for Cameron, 732-572-0500. Thank you and good luck.